Hey everyone, I am Dr. Sharvari Vaidya, Dean School of Law, Sandip University Nashik. We are UGC approved and NAC A grade institutions. School of Law is approved by BCI and we are working as a CLE, that is Central of Legal Education. Here we offer 5 years BA and BB LLB honors, LLB honors, LLM in 4 specializations and PhD. Law is just not a degree or a profession. It come with the social responsibility, and for that purpose, in line with the vision and mission of our university, School of Law is focused to groom the socially committed legal professionals who are advocating for the fairness and justice at every corner of the society. To complete this objective, we incorporated the concept of collaborative clinical legal education as an integrated part of our curriculum. There is a difference between reading about the law and advocating it. And for that, a practical exposure is the most important part of the legal education. For that purpose, School of Law every semester organize the lecture series of senior advocates. Near about 25% of our syllabus is covered by the senior practicing advocates that will definitely benefit the students to give them the practical exposure. To give them more practical, we can say that knowledge, applicability and exposures, we regularly bringing them to the High Court, Supreme Court, District Court visit, industrial visit, Lok Adalat, and our students are working for free legal aid services also. Moot court is the integral part of the legal education, and for that purpose, our regular moot sessions are conducted in our structured moot court. Moot court mannerism is one of the audit course which is offered by our curriculum to our law students. Apart from that, every year School of Law has organized a national level moot court competition, and in this competition near about 35 to 40 tips from all over the India from esteemed institutions came here for the competitions. Many times students are confused about what they have to do after completing their degree of law, and for that purpose we have our own counseling center, or we say that the career counseling center. In these career counseling centers, we give them the guidance regarding the JMFC exam, regarding the CS exams. Our faculty continuously provided such guidance to our students. As per BCI, we have ample of books in our library, and we are also providing the online database and live streaming of Supreme Court and High Supreme Court judgments for their case study and legal research. We have MOUs with esteemed legal firms which providing them the internship and placement to our students. We have smart classrooms and we provided the value-added program for our students for their overall development. Thus, our School of Law give the legal education beyond the classrooms, and for all these I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chairman Sir for their visionary leadership and making our School of Law really incredible.